Hi, my name is Mara. This is my channel. I'm today in Jurmala. Jurmala, this is wonderful town for holidays nearby Riga, capital of Latvia. That's the Baltic Sea. I would be happy if you will subscribe and follow me, because I show about my travels, about the people around me, about something interesting in each country. And I'm happy to share with you. Look at that sea. Wonderful. There is lots of birds. I don't know if you can see, they're very small. Wonderful weather and wonderful walk. Also, I would like to speak on this channel about the health style. I walk with my thick line bottle, thick line drink for energy, for have a good mood, for recover all my cells in my body. If you will be interested, I can tell you more about this. And I wish you a wonderful day. Enjoy your day whenever, where you are. And see you in next video.